Friends, we're going to do our very first math journal activity. So your first math journal says, I can cut and color. Cut out one apple and color it in red. Let's look at those directions again. I can cut and color. Cut out one apple and color it in red. Okay, so I have my math journal, scissors and glue sticks, and a red crayon. Now, this page could just fit right into our math journal, but we had the directions that we need to cut it out, and we also want to practice our cutting skills. So first I'm going to cut out one apple. I'm cutting along the dotted lines, and remember, I'm alligator cutting. I have my thumb in the top and my fingers in the bottom, and I'm cutting it like an alligator. See my hold? All right, I'm cutting out along the dotted line. And I have my apple cut out. Now, I also want you to cut out the directions. So here's my apple. Now we're going to cut along the dotted lines again. The alligator cut, thumb in the top, chomp, 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 right around the dotted lines. Chomp, 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 chomp. Now look at this, friends. I don't have a ton of scraps, so we don't want to do little shreds of paper. See how I neatly cut out? Now, so my first direction was cut out one apple. Check, I did that. And color it in red. I have a song that I would like to teach you about red. Are you ready? I'm going to sing it while I color. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, 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 red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. Let's sing again because I'm still coloring. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. Now, if you want, you can add a little brown stem and a little green leaf. Now, friends, look at my kindergarten coloring. I stayed inside the lines. I do not see scribble scrabble, and I did my very best work. Okay. Now, I have my two sheets. I need to open my math journal. And let's remember our glue rules. We're going to put it up just a little bit. See how it's actually already up? And then we need to remember just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to put glue around the outside edge so my apple stays. And I'm doing just a dot, not a lot. And I'm gluing my red apple into my journal. Then I'm going to also glue my directions into my journal. So just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going around just so it stays. And I have glued in one red apple. Now, the next thing I want you to do, friends, is you're going to get a pencil. And I would like for you to practice writing a 1. So, ready to say our 1 poem? Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. And I'm going to teach you how to write the word 1. Ready? O. N. E. So again, our poem is straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. And our number word 1 is O-N-E, 1. Okay, friends. Now, you can either, if you did your journal with me, you're all done. If you want to watch the video again and do it with me this time, you sure can. Do your best work.